Hi ladies, and welcome back. In today's video I'm just going to show you this beautiful Debras Enchanted Roxy, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So this is Roxy. She is an Allure cap. Roxy is the color. She's a very cool blonde with a darker stretched out root. She has ear tabs. She's lace front from ear tab to ear tab. It is Swiss lace. She has a silk French drawn cap, which means the hairs are all tied and then pulled to make it look like it's actually growing out of your scalp. The back is wefted and the rest is hand tied. I love these caps because they literally just sit like real hair, and if you're familiar with like an all lace cap, it'll kind of be puffy up at the top, which some people like that volume, but if you're like me and you want it to look as real as possible, these caps do that. They sit very flat and flush. It's a very comfortable cap. It does not tangle at the nape like some caps do. That is like always a big deal to me. I can't stand something that tangles up at the nape area. It's very uncomfortable, it's scratchy, and it just doesn't make for a good wig. I have gotten rid of wigs for that exact reason. Let me show you the back. Now she is 22 inches long, and that is measured from the crown down. And then she is layered, so I think it's like 16 inches to here, I think. I'm not 100% sure. But this is a medium cap. I'm usually a 21.5 inch, and the medium fits me perfectly. The ear tabs go down perfectly. But she is 100% human hair. It is European hair, so it's the same hair as most of the eye wigs. So if you're used to eye wig, then you'll know the hair quality is very good. It does not frizz. It holds a curl very well. I curled this 2 weeks ago and actually showed how I curled her in the last video. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it down below. So now let me show you what the cap looks like. I'm just going to show you the inside of the Debras Enchanted cap, and I'm going to compare it to the eye wig for you. So first of all, it's lace, Swiss lace from ear tab to ear tab. Mine's a little dirty, and it's got the poly lining or whatever you call it. You can actually bond this on these areas if you wanted to. And it's got the wefted back area, so that's wefted from here to here. Adjustable nape area, very stretchy, and then the rest of this is hand tied. Here is the scalp, and you can part it anywhere here, and it's gonna look like scalp. And right here is, you'll see the eye wig. It's the same cap, just different color. It's got the poly lining, the same ear tabs, wefted at the same area from here to here, adjustable napes, stretchy hand-tied area, silk top. I would show you her scalp, but she's in a top knot. I wasn't too prepared. But it's the same. I had used her for the curling tutorial, and her curls have stayed the whole time. Let me show you one. I'll compare it for you real quick together. The only difference is Debras is darker material and the eye wig is lighter. Some of Debras do have this color. I had a blonde that was this color. Both very comfortable, very comparable. So if you like the eye wig, you'll love the Allure cap. So if you've been thinking about trying a Debras Enchanted, I will leave all the information down below. You can contact her on Instagram or Facebook, and she also has a private group. But please don't forget to give this video a like, and thank you for watching.